Go. Go. Wakey, wakey. Go, go. Hello. Dumbass. Hey, how about stopping and not speeding? You didn't stop. You didn't stop. No turning red. Don't do it. Don't. Yeah. That goes for you too back there. I think that's the mark of a princess. Jovi girl? Oh god. You have bad taste all around. Too close! Don't cut him on! You're an asshole. I knew that already. Exit regret. Too hot for the park today, huh? Somewhere in this town, there's a stop sign you ignored. So did you Toyota. Get off the fucking road. Gotta stop, you know I do. This is what it is. Pull up to the bump, baby. Didn't stop. Didn't stop. Didn't quite stop. Ugh. Yield! Oh, hi, I'm not here. Jesus. Fuckhead. Yep. Look before you go, Larry. Yeah, thank you. What the hell are you doing? Putting back up. Stop. No U-turn, no U-turn, U-turn. Just cut him off, no problem. Jesus Christ. You are close enough, thank you. And jerk, close enough again, thank you. Sick. Is that a cutoff? Probably. Subadoosh. Get off my ass, you ass. Sartell Plumbing and Heating, Metro Dracut, Massachusetts. By the way, it is totally legal to be using the breakdown lane at this time of the day, and I have to get off here, so before you say anything, I'm not breaking the law. It's a stupid law, and I'm not breaking it. Go, go, go! We're not gonna make the green if you don't move your fucking ass! Thanks. Thank you, Pitney Bows. Canada cunt. Oh. Exit regret cutoff. Minivan. No need for that! Subadoosh. Got off again. Oh, hi, how you doing? Where the fuck did you come from? I know where you went. Direct to the left lane. Current temperature 103, by the way. Thank you. Yep. Yep. Next step. Why not? Ah, hey, 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 hey. Is that a cutoff? Never mind, never mind. Stop! Stop! Herp and derp, dummy. That was cut off, I believe. This is shithead. What the both is, for Christ's sake.